dog one and the...
We'll go for the dog one first.
I'll just turn that towards you. It's good, isn't it? I have to drink this stuff and I feel Oh my god, it looks like I'm attached to something.
I just look cute with my Santa hat. We've been putting the Christmas decorations down.
Oh. Anyway. Zeezee is gonna just run through.
Rules?
Yeah, and just some basic things about
basically,
what we're going to do.
There isn't any rules. You can't fart or queef. It's burps or belches.
What's a belch?
Like a proper big burp.
Okay.
Like that.
What, you're not allowed to do that?
You are allowed to do that.
Oh, okay.
It's purely burps and belches. You can use
right.
anything you need to use.
For Coke, like Coke, for instance.
Like Coke. Not cocaine. Coca-Cola. Probably at the bottom. Show the bottom.
Sorry. A bit late.
Coca-Cola, not cocaine. And,
for all you drug addicts out there.
For all you drug
getting mixed up.
We don't want to get mixed up now. And, basically, the person who gets the
help
biggest burp, or the most interesting burp, wins. But we have to burp the alphabet as well if you can manage it.
Yeah. I know, should we get on with it?
Let's proceed.
So, we basically take it in turns to give us our best shot.
Wait, need to clear. I just need to get rid of that before we start.
Hang on, let me just give it a wiggle, because I've filled Coke in my belly.
Just came with full gas! I can't stop. I've been doing it for like 10 minutes now. Was that it?
That was shit.
That
was literally me
going.
That was no air. That was full spots.
Come on, try again. Try again. You can even hold it in any longer.
Oh shit. It stopped. By the way, it's Christmas time.
I'm
sorry.
That was really real, though. To the camera.
It's stuck. Okay. Every fucking time.
That's so good.
It's just a constant. It just flows out of her. I've got a feeling I'm going to be sick in a minute, but... Oh!
I think the biggest one I've ever done was definitely the one at the ice rink. It was kind of a Tilly belch.
Fucking hell. If you know Tilly, you know what we mean by a Tilly belch.
It was a Tilly belch. A
Tilly belch.
One. This guy turned around to me and was like, "That's massive," and I was like, "Hello."
It's really weird because you want like if you are like inside the forum, like just inside the doors, you can hear him from next to the church. You're like, fuck, that was loud. Was that a gun? No, it was just Tilly belching.
You could hear him, like, on your way, like, if you're near the theatre, you could probably hear him belch from the forum.
Probably. We should try this.
We should.
Oh, I've got a feeling I'm gonna fart.
So am I, actually.
Good facial expressions.
There it was!
I'm not gonna try, because I don't want to know.
I didn't try! I just nearly dribbled.
Oh my god, I'm sick of Coke so much. It's like my third cup. Full.
Should we try about the alphabet?
Should we do a letter each? Like A,
You might
B,
get some of the better letters.
No, but then it gives me time to walk, like...
Alright, let's start. I'll start, yeah?
Yeah.
Z.
I can't say it at the same time.
Hurry up,
Oh.
I think that's enough, girls.
Jaffinator. It's never enough.
Sorry.
What letter were we on?
Q. What?
I said P.
No, I did P.
Oh, okay.
S.
Oh, hang on. T.
I've got to do fucking W, man. What was that? You said you go V.
I forgot what the letter was.
It's V. V. For victory.
I didn't hear anything.
Try again, listeners. So that's a V.
Supposedly.
That's the worst one to do.
X. Y.
How am I going to finish this off well?
Hang on.
It's moving backwards, it's fine.
Where did you get it?
Oh,
Oh,
I think we do the
fuck's
whole
sake.
thing better all in one go.
You probably...
E. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. U. R. S. E. U. V.
Are you going to be sick?
W.
W. W.
X. Y. Z.
W.
I just dribbled. I just ran out of air, like, I was like...
There.
Whoa!
That was like my ending for what I didn't finish before.
Anyway, we have to finish this video before it hits 10 minutes, so we've got like 20 seconds to say
To just
goodbye.
burp as much as we can. Bye!
What
Watching
We've got to stop it in a second.